everyone, welcome back to HowToDoctor. In this video, let me guide you on how to connect MemeFi to OKX wallet. Let's first open the OKX wallet and log into your account. Once you're in the main tab of the app, tap on the wallet section at the top part. We need to create a wallet first. Tap Create Wallet, select Create Now button. Next, set up your password, or you can simply use Face ID for easier login. After that, your wallet account will be created. Now move back to Telegram and open MemeFi Coin. And here, tap Earn button below. And then you will see here the option to connect OKX wallet on SUI or SU. Tap it. Next, tap Check the test button below. And then select Connect to OKX app. Tap Yes on the pop-up. Now you need first to back up your OKX wallet. Tap Backup Now button. Tap Continue and follow the on-screen procedure that will show up. Enter your password, and then you need to write down your seed phrase and under or order. After that, tap Continue button below to proceed. Next, confirm the order of your seed phrase to complete the backup process. Once the backup is successful, then go back to MemeFi Coin app and Telegram app. Next, tap again to check the test button and select Connect to OKX app. Tap Yes in the pop-up to redirect you to the OKX app. And here, make sure that your wallet is correct and the network is set to SUI or SU. Now tap Connect Wallet button below to proceed. You'll receive a notification when it is connected. Go back to MemeFi Coin app and confirm it again to check whether the connection is successful or not. Just follow the steps provided, and so once it is done, then you'll receive your reward in connecting OKX to MemeFi Coin. Thanks for tuning in to HowToDoctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. And we'll see you on the next video.